Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we are to discuss a very important topic, namely protecting your mobile phone. When we use a mobile, it is important that we need to protect not only the mobile but also the data it contains. It could be your personal data, your profile data, or even banking and other sensitive information relating to you. There are many features that have been provided by the mobile manufacturers themselves that we can use of to do all these things. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 simple tips as to how to protect your data when your mobile is stolen or lost. Note that I'm not only going to give you these 10 simple tips, but also going to explain in some simple steps as to how you could implement all these things in your device. These features will help you to prevent your data from getting exposed in case your mobile is accidentally lost or deliberately stolen. What are these 10 features? You can see on the screen also. Enable the screen lock. Know the IMEI number and keep it handy. Keep the location on. Turn on Find My Device. Enable automatic cloud backup of your data. Add emergency contact information. Hide notifications on the lock screen. Most important, enable all the theft protection features in your device. Review all the permissions you are given to the apps and keep the Android and all the apps updated. Let us now see as to how to do all these things in our mobile. Obviously, if all these 10 tips are to be bundled together and given as a long video, it could be a overkill. We may miss the importance of one particular activity. To focus on each and every tip, I propose to give you these as 8 small videos so that we understand and realize the importance of each of these settings while implementing them in our mobile. Enjoy this video and remember to keep looking forward to the video on the next tip in this channel. Let us now see the first tip in protecting your mobile, namely setting the lock screen. Screen lock is the first line of defense in protecting your mobile as well as the data within that. Enabling this screen lock helps you to protect your mobile in case it is lost or stolen. It is essential to put this lock because even if others possess your mobile in their hands, they will not be able to see what is happening in your device if this screen lock is implemented. Let us now see the simple step-by-step guide as to how to enable this screen lock in your device.
To set the lock screen in your mobile, go to the settings and select it. In settings, look for lock screen and select it. On top you have screen lock and biometrics. Select that. To change the pin, it will be asking for the current pin. Now it displays all the screen lock options available for the user. You can set a pin or a password, or you can set a pattern or simply a swipe. It also mentions here how strong these lock options are. It says password is of high security, whereas pin and pattern are of medium security, while swipe is not secure at all. Let us now try to change the existing pin. Select this pin. It will be asking for the new pin. It will be again asking for the confirmation. Press continue and confirm the new pin. OK. That's it. To check whether the new pin is working or not, lock your mobile and try to log in again. Now it's asking for the pin. I'm entering some old pin. It's not accepting. Now when I enter the new pin, it's accepting. This is the way to set lock screen on your mobile phone.
Now that you have learned one tip in protecting your mobile and data, please be on the lookout in this channel for the video on the next tip. To continue to get such informative videos from this channel, please subscribe to this channel. How to subscribe? You will see the subscribe button on the right hand side bottom of your screen. Click on that so that you will get all the videos that are being posted in this channel.